Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kakanhon Ïalehkai football ki kentai na kejela Meghalaya kan sami madan banyakun persya ya kakanhon Ïalehkai football na kari Bhutan haga under 17 girls football tournament jangka FIFA kata haga arfuai tarik bat haga arfulai tarik bunai kelalengkot arjar arfu. Kani kejing yakun kan salong hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Complex Polo Shillong. Ka coach jangka kanhon Ïalehkai football jangka Meghalaya kakong dari Hun Sari haga jing keren bat ka Batesi TV kelayato baka ni kelempung Ïalehkai football bala penlong da ka Meghalaya Football Association harengkat ka jing lang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya kalong ru kum shibenta ka jing rakhi jangka jela Meghalaya ya ka jing yo ya ka jela Bapura.
And I'm very happy to be here at Shillong. Shillong is a very beautiful place. I love and enjoy living here and interacting with the people. And I am the head coach of under 17 women's team. So we came here yesterday, and I hope and we are having our match tomorrow. So I hope the match will go in a smooth way. This would be our good experience and our good tour for our girls, especially for our under 17 girls for the max exposures. Especially in Bhutan, the women's football is not so developed. So it's still then we hope to play more games. So we requested to FIFA for the FIFA friendly match. So then the Bhutan Football Federation has organized a FIFA match, 2 matches in Assam, and that we already played on 16th and on 18th, and 2 matches here in Meghalaya Shillong, which will be playing on 21st and 23rd. And this would be our good exposure matches for our girls. This friendly match would be our good experience for upcoming. We have a SAF under 17 women's tournament which will go on in 2020 this year. So we are preparing for that.
We did not train much because the match kept on postponing, and the match date wasn't sure. So to come to Shillong, the journey was very long and it was very tiresome, but somehow we enjoyed the journey.
Barakhat kila banwan man support ya ka Meghalaya marga de kadang dai ta kajing sedang lek sai kajing ai museum jong kiwei pat ki nongwan pitkai ki nok support lek sai kanang kampen kiwing ispa ni sahmat lek sai kini ki dia jeng kam yo museum ka bawan support lem ki kami pagi Paralok pala bun ki ta kidang kam kidang Ïalehkai dang tang ka naka under 12 mentang kidang susdang man kiu naka under 12 sanan teng kimpat da mana kini kidang Shwan ban Ïalehkai ka sub junior abaki la rem ka quarter final te lese kani ka jingwan jo kani ka Bhutan sang ne banwan Ïalehkai friendly match bat ni kan dega lat ka ba bahan ta gini bakin yo ban kam petibit shu lade ngi selek iki lingba ka performance jaki mdai tanam Meghalaya ndai na barak khat ka district la ya download hang ne bhairu kila dan na west na east na jentia majority na kikila ada lupa ka baris kata kila ada lupa ka tim hi ka tim na syaka district joki te kila sia coordinate ba ka association joki ya bat ki district ba per ki association ki ba per nang to ki refer ni kirtang ba kita kini ki kena ba kambet banwan satu banwan petibin te ngila dan ka kinja coaching manakane license ngi kila kata ka coaching kamu ba kini kena kila la ban kilan met ha yo banyak air hakane ka friendly match berkabutan jingkerman habangai I mana ya ka jingkilan met jo ka Bhutan te ngai ki player jaki ru ki kham ya he ki kham jrong banyak compare ba ki player jangi te ki kameren sakawer majority na ki khna jangi kim padai ba khat nyau snam anai khat ru snam bon lagi ki dang dai tang khat san snam hapo kata te kermen ya ka tong kermen ya ka bamhai hi ndai ka jingjop ka jingram kam da pher hadu ka tai khna jingi tam ba kila yo shaban shimanta lang hakane ka friendly match lan kila yo kat kani kalat mo kade ka lak ba hanong tajoki bakin naya ki seprang bakin yo do ban mat ka karkom lek kai jong kini ki Bhutan kalong komno ka experience ki kalong komno an shuba tain kendiat na ki player jengi ke dan tang lai sangut ki balak ham experience manakani kila sha ban select ka under 17 tambah ka ba mo shu kuman shu ang ba bun ki long kim padak tan hadu kata ka level ka ba ki brew na bar ki expect ki lewat la kata ru kila don hi kita ka teknik taktik jongki kendiat kan saya ki.
So kemen bagi la wan sini bala pen experience ni banyak kai. Also ni tem dan por praktis dang kendiat ya ama kemen bet bangin fight la sai ndak kai ba ya bara
Ïalehkai bagawa Bhutan la sai Pak kemen bangin Ïalehkai ni ai ka jingjam.
On behalf of the MFA, would like to request all the football-loving spectators of the state to come by tomorrow and on the 23rd to come and support the girls from Bhutan, from the state of Meghalaya. Give them a little bit of impetus because it's something which I think we need to develop in our state. Promote girls and the sport of football among girls. So I request everybody. It'll be really nice. I think it'll be a fun game. It'll be a learning experience for both sides. Thank you.